Galia Mikey Kagua Mikey Banya Kukwa.
Yes, my people, you're welcome again to our lesson. This is a continuation of give command in Igbo language. This is lesson 3. The last time we had lesson 1 and lesson 2. Now, the other time we learned how to give positive and negative command, and I gave the formula to help you. So please, if you have not watched the previous lessons, please download so you can catch up. But I'm going to revise. To give negative command, we have the verb, the alphabet A plus the verb and then la. That forms negative. For instance, bia, we saw it in the last video, bia, and you have a bia la. Don't come, bia, come. A bia la. Go, read. A go la, don't read. A go la, don't read. Okay, that's negative. So please, I beg you go and watch the other videos. And then for the vowel S sound, we have A plus the verb and then la to give us negative. For instance, de, which is right. So in the negative, it will be A plus de and la. E de la. Pay attention, the last E goes E de la. Don't write E de la. So today we are going to continue with the letter M. The letter M says me in Igbo. Me. For instance, the word mepe, which is open. Mepe onogi, open your mouth. Mepe onogi in the negative, or mepe anyagi, open your eyes. Open your eyes. Mepe anyagi. Read it with me. Mepe anyagi, open your eyes. We have another one. Mere is also open, but it's a dialect. Okay, so mere and mepe, they are the same. So you can say meronogi, open your mouth. Meponogi, meronogi, they are the same. So in the negative, we have emepela, don't open. Emepela, say it with me. Emepela, don't open. Or emerela, don't open. Emerela, don't open. So if you want to say emerelaya, don't open it. Maybe there's a back. Don't open it. Emerelaya, say it with me. Emerelaya, don't open it. All right. So another instruction with mepere mozo. Open the door for me. So that's meperem uzo, open the door for me. So metu, that is touch. Metu, touch. Touch it. Metu, say it. Metu, that's touch. So in the negative, emetula, don't touch. Emetula, emetula, don't touch. So we can have metumaka, touch me. Metumaka, touch me. Emetolamaka, don't touch me. So if you're angry with somebody, emetolamaka, don't touch me. Emetolamaka, don't touch me. All right. So another word with the letter N, nata. It says nata is receive. Okay, or collect. Nata yego, collect money from him. Nata yego. All right. Collect money from him. Anatalaya, don't receive it from him. Don't collect it from him. Could be any of the two. Anatalaya, don't collect it. We have also nododo with the letter ne. Nododo, sit down. That's sit down. Nododo, sit down. Anodolodo, don't sit down. When you get there, anodukwalodo, don't sit down. Anodolaodo, don't sit down. All right. The alphabet O is a vowel, so it doesn't have any word, any command beginning with it. Neither does O. They don't have any vowel. So we move to the R. Move to re. Say it. Re in Igbo is re. We have racha. Racha, lick. Racha. Racha ofe, lick soup. Racha ofe. Arachala ofe. Don't lick the soup. Arachala ofe. All right, so please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so now. Okay, do so. Subscribe to Igbo School TV, where you have the learning of Igbo language made very easy for you. So until I come your way again, nọdụ nke ọma. Ka emesịa.